Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is to my subscriber. And if you are new on this my channel, please do not forget to find this my video. If you find this my video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe, click on the bell notification. So now let's quickly do a quick analysis on our euro pairs. The first one I have here is my euro index. So we can see that now our euro has actually been falling. By the way, we are having, let me be able to highlight our movement for you. We can see our push up, push down, push up, push down. Now we can see that our price actually fall. We've gotten that thing, a push up, what we call a retracement. Definitely, what are we looking for? A continuous push down. So what do you think our price will actually be going this week? Definitely we are shorting our euro. Our euro will actually be falling. If you have to compare it with any other currency pair, you will see that our euro is actually falling, or is giving us that indication that it wants to fall massively. That is exactly what I said. Euro this week will actually be falling. Let's see on our weekly time frame. We can see that massive push. We can see that we definitely want to see a continued push down before we can actually see that, probably a push up as a retracement, or whatever you want to call it, or whatever. So on our 4-hour time frame, definitely we can see that as our price has pushed up, it has failed to break above this area. Our price pushes down, it probably pushes up and failed to break this area here. So definitely, since our price has actually failed to break it, giving us something like a double top, definitely we should be aiming for a sell on my euro index. So that's why I said euro will actually be falling. So now our next pair we have, currency pair we have, is our euro Swiss franc. Now you can see on our daily time frame, our Swiss franc and our euro are actually, on the long run are actually bearish. We can see that we are having that, push down. We've had that retracement. Definitely we would want to continue seeing that, push down, because if you are to look at our euro Swiss franc pair, about that this week that just passed, you see that our Swiss franc fell massively, but one and any other pair related to it actually go bullish. But when we are now had to analyze it, we can now see that probably this week our Swiss franc will actually be gaining more value. We actually be going up, will be going bullish this week. So any pair relating to it should actually be falling. Same thing we are now seeing on our euro Swiss franc. So since our euro is actually falling, it's giving us an indication of a fall, and our Swiss franc we've analyzed also giving us an indication of a push up. Definitely we would want to be seeing a fall on our euro to our Swiss franc. Now we've seen the push up and push down. Now definitely let's be aiming for a sell. So this is our liquidity area for this week on our euro Swiss franc. That is exactly what we should be aiming for on our euro Swiss franc. Please do not forget to subscribe. Now on our euro New Zealand, same thing. I'm actually aiming for a 4. I'm probably going to be seeing here as a double top, whereby my price has failed to break above here. Then definitely our price should actually be falling. As we can see on the long run, our price is actually falling. And we can actually see here as a resistance, whereby our price actually push up, push down, something like a ranging move. We can actually see it as a ranging move, by the way. So probably we should aiming for a sell on our euro New Zealand. Then after our push down, where we see that huge fall, definitely we can now say, okay, let us start taking a buy on our new euro New Zealand. But apart from that, we should actually be aiming for a sell for this week. Exactly what we should be looking for on our 4-hour time frame. Definitely, well, probably if our price is able to push up a little bit, then definitely we should be seeing that fall on our euro New Zealand. Our next pair we have is our EURCAD. Same thing too. As I'm saying, if I'm to analyze our card, we see that our card wants to start gaining value. Definitely our euro will actually fall against our card. You can see on the weekly time frame, our euro is actually falling down. Last week we had a 4. Last week we had a 4. So probably this week we would continue having that 4. Definitely we would have that 4. Not that we would have that 4. You should be seeing that 4 on our euro card. We see that huge 4. We actually see that retracement. We see that huge 4. Definitely we are waiting for our price to actually break below this area here before probably we cannot take our sell on our EURCAD. Exactly what I have planned to trade on my EURCAD. And now our next pair is our EURAUD. One thing that I want to also know that our odd is actually falling. Since our euro is actually falling, I'm going to advise you stay away from this trade. Stay away from EURAUD. And if you want to if you want to trade it, then probably you should be going shorting. You should actually be shorting, since we find this place as a major place of reaction where our price has gradually reacted to this place. Definitely you should be able to see a fall on our Euro New Zealand. On our weekly time frame, it's actually a fall, right? On our daily time frame, it is still actually a fall, right? Now on our 4 hour time frame, we can actually see that our price is not giving us an indication of a fall. So let's be aiming to take a fall. Let's be able to short our EURAUD. So that's our analysis for this week. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.